This is not a tourist show. People just keep coming in. Everyone's heading to the same way. And then this happens. In a small town in China. Hello, this is Philip. Today I am in Ningxi town, Taizhou City. Ningxi, a very small town in eastern China. And today is a traditional day called February 2nd. A very traditional lantern festival lasts over 800 years. Here in China, this is something almost everyone grows up with. When I was a kid, I always loved coming to these festivals because of the beautiful lights, the delicious food, and something very special. And in this year, they did something on another level. They made one 800-meter long dragon. And as you walk through the crowd, you'll start to see things like this. This is not just a show, this is something people still do and enjoy year after year, so we call this tradition. And you are not just watching this, you can actually be a part of it.
OK 啊，
上寒山石径斜，
白云深处有人家。
再来一个先帝创业未半而中道崩殂，下一句
今天下三分，益州霹雳此城，危急存亡之秋也。
很好。
这回是有效果。
Like this, people here still make this by hand, just like they always have. Okay, it's done. This is my masterpiece, and this one is the original copy. And which one do you like? And of course, there's always food. It's very crispy and a feeling of childhood. Ningxi tofu is very famous. Mom's memories. 谢谢。
甜豆加，这个还有爆料豆，是把双牛油烧的一下，这个咋不错？
Look at this. There is a whole pear and some jujubes and some silver ears. It's just perfect. I think the tofu plus this pear soup would be enough for my dinner. It's raining now heavily, but everybody is happy because in China, rain means water, water means money. So heavily rain means big wealthy in the coming year. I got a raincoat. This is not something you only see in museums. This is real life. This is how tradition is still alive in China. Well, it's very late. I'm heading home right now. I got totally wet. So that means I will be super rich this year. Joking. Anyway, this is an amazing show. I like it. What about you? Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye bye. This is not China you usually see. This is the China I see.